Hi guys, welcome to our channel today, and today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, which is how to set up your Facebook ads account from scratch. So many businesses start up their Facebook campaign live, and they only just create your page and create your Instagram page, and they think that's all, and this leads to payment issues. Either you're going to have a prepaid or a postpaid account. So on this topic today, we are going to be showing you step-by-step process on how to create your Facebook ads account from scratch. Okay, now so I'm going to be jumping in on my system to start the creating process. So most of you might already have a page set up or an Instagram page, but if you don't have, I'm still going to go through the beginning process. So now on my PC, we are going to, this is a client account, so we are going to be creating an ushering agency page, and the person is going to attempt to run ads. So the first thing is creating a page. So you go to page here, and when you go to page, you come to create page. Then when you come to create page, you actually pick up the name of the person. So I'm going to pick up the name of the client, going to apply its category, I think ushering. If they have, let's just put events. Okay, events. Then later on the client can edit those. You can also always edit after you've set up your page. So description, I'm going to go to the client's Instagram to get the description. I'm going to copy all these for now. Come here, paste. So there's the description. So the next thing is going to be create page. Okay, so now the next thing is we are going to add an image to the page. So we're going to go to download. So I think we already have one image here. So this is one, sorry. Okay, you have this now. So after creating this, you now click on save. So it's going to ask you to verify your WhatsApp, and it's going to be your WhatsApp business. It's also good to have a WhatsApp business set up. If you don't have a WhatsApp business set up, there is no problem, but you will need it if you want to run a WhatsApp ad. So let's just keep this for now. Okay, the next thing you have to do now is to go to settings. Then when you go to settings, you're going to come down here to Instagram. So instead of you guys to be connecting it from your Instagram page, this is the proper way to connect it. So all you just have to do is click on connect account, then click on continue. It's going to ask you for the username and password, so let me do this quick. Okay, so once it connects, it's going to ask you to wait for some time, then you would allow it to reload by itself. So after reloading by itself, automatically it's going to merge your Instagram together. So this is just the first phase. So now the next phase. Is you're going to create a business manager. So this is where you now add all the assets together. So what you have to do now is there are two ways to do it. You can either go from your business suits. I like going from your business suit, so you know that you have gotten to a particular stage. Some accounts don't have business suit, but new accounts now they do have business suits. So to access that, you are going to go back to your home page. And when you go back to your home page, you're going to click on the see more button. Then if you click on the see more button, you can't find your business suits, meaning your account is part of the old accounts that don't have business suits. So you can simply go straight to the business manager. So we'll be doing that shortly. Okay, when we clicked facebook.com, business.facebook.com, it took us to the business suite. So it actually has a business suite. So you're going to cancel it here. Then but sometimes it asks you to verify your page, but once you've done the verification on the page, which we did initially, you don't need to have any stress. So the next thing we are going to do is we're going to come down to more tools. Then we are going to go to the ads manager. So once you click the ads manager, okay, so the ads manager is going to take you straight here to the business manager. So this is where you now add all your assets. So all you just have to do next is click on go to business info. But before going there, you have to be very sure of where you're going, because if you notice, we have two accounts here. One is showing the business account and one is showing Mrs. Ushering. So we have to be very sure which is it, because this is what we just created just now, so we didn't put any logo on it. So we have to be very careful. So we click on this. Then when you click on it, you are going to click on business settings. So now this is the business manager. This is where you have all your assets in one place. So doing this sometimes is very important. Most of you may not have been seeing the screen, so we are going to go through some little setup, because for some businesses there are some certain requirements that are not available here, but as much as possible we are going to go through the ones that would make your account as okay as possible for now, before in the long run putting in the other things. So first of all, we're going to go down to the business info. Then here we're going to actually edit some certain information. So we're going to click here to edit this icon for easy identification. So we're going to edit this. Okay, after editing the picture, you're going to also add the page. So you're going to look for so you make this page the primary business page to it. You click on save. The name is also okay. If you want to make it very okay, you rearrange it. Okay, after saving that, the next thing we have to do is you have to confirm your email address. Then you click on save. So now most at times the email verification doesn't come to your main box. It goes either into your promotion or your social. So check there and you will see a confirm button. So you click on that, and when you click on that, you'll be able to confirm the page, and it is going to bring you to this place. So if you have username or password, as much as possible you have to bring them. It must show you this. That's how to know that you are verified. And when you come back to this particular place that you're seeing on the screen, it will show you verified. I will show you how it's going to look like once we verify this page. Okay, after verifying your email, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to look like plain. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to set up the ads accounts, and we are going to also make sure your Instagram account is very well connected. So all you have to do is come down to go up to ads accounts. So all you just have to do is create a new ads account, but let's go copy the name of the business. I need the name of the business. So we're going to go back to ads accounts, then we click on add and we click on create new ad accounts. So if you're in Nigeria, you have to be very mindful of this. Be very careful when doing this. This is the beginning to having payment issues. So you're going to put the name, you're going to put your location. Don't think because you need UX clients or Algeria client, France client, and you want to go and select a different time zone, it will affect you very well. So you have to choose Nigerian time zone. So you select Lagos, very, very important, don't select dollar at all. Whatever it takes, don't select dollar. So far you're in Nigeria, but if you're not in Nigeria, you can actually choose any other currency that is your home-based currency. It's very important. So this, then make sure everything is checked marked, then click next, then select for my business. If you are creating for another person, because you can create for another business, you can create for another client, but this is your own business, this is my client's business, I'm creating it right from my account. So I'll click on my business. So you have to add this up together, turn everything on, then click on assign, then click on close. We're going to do payments later. So the next thing is that we're going to go to user, we're going to go to people, make sure all the assets are connected and they are well set. So we're going to click here and make sure everything here is well connected. We're going to go to insights, don't forget, check everything turned on. You click on save, you come down to, you can close the toggle down, you can come down here, check if everything is ticked on, yes. Then your Instagram, you have to verify your Instagram page. So you come down here, then click on login. Okay, so we've finally gotten everything set. So your page, your Instagram page, your ads account, so everything is set. If you want to add your WhatsApp, you can add your WhatsApp. For those of you who have WhatsApp business, you can add your WhatsApp. So all you just have to do is go down to WhatsApp accounts, then click on add. They will send you a verification and you have WhatsApp. It enables you to run WhatsApp ads, and we're going to be doing that on our next video, so sit tight. So now we're going to go to the people, that's the user, and make sure everything is intact. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also click on the like button, and also click on the notification button so that anytime we release any content, you can see our new content. Thank you while doing that. So we click on people, then we check if everything is intact and all our assets are way intact. So the next thing now that we have to do is to go to the ads manager and try to attempt to fund. Yeah, and to go to the ads manager, we click on this, then we click on ads manager. Okay, they're going to ask you for the non-disclosure. This thing, all you just have to do is accept. If you have time, you can go through it and read it, but we know we hardly read it. So then they are going to also ask you, does your business focus on politics and advocate of them? If your business do, you click yes, but this business doesn't, so just click on no. So now this is an ads account, but as much as possible, we'd make sure this is the agency ads account, because when you create your, another mistake most business make is when you create your ads accounts, there are always going to be other ads accounts in your account, but there is always going to be one ad account which came with your Facebook page. Make sure you are on your account, the main account that we just create. Anytime you want to fund, you have to make sure you are on this account. So make sure you don't make that mistake to fund on the wrong one. So this is the account we need to be. That's the Ocean. She has two, but this is the one we just created, so you should not make that mistake. So we have selected, it's already selected. Then the next thing is that we have to know how to fund. So in order to fund your account, all you just have to do is click on all tools. Then you are going to go to, very soon it's going to be part of what you are going to be seeing here, but you have to come down and click on add account settings. Okay, now so this is your ad account set. This is where you create your payment settings. So you click on open settings. Then this is where another mistake many people make. So as much as possible, you have to be careful here. If you make the mistake here, it's going to affect you for a long time. So how do you convert your account to a prepaid account, not postpaid? Postpaid is the Facebook will be collecting the money as you go. why prepaid is you fund it and Facebook takes from the account. So we are going to create a prepaid account. So all you just have to do is click on add payment method. Then you have to be very sure that it's in Nigeria, is in Naira, and it's in your time zone. So if, for example, now you are not in Nigeria, make sure it is in your time zone. That's wherever you are, and also in your currency. But as for Nigerians, you should make sure it's in Naira. Don't go and put in US in order to be receiving. No, just please leave it in Naira. So you click on save. Then this is another most important step. Then make sure you click on this. Don't fund with this because you don't have a dollar. Even if you have a dollar account, you would be charged double because you're in Nigeria here and to be converted to dollar, and you know how expensive dollar is right now. So you have to choose your Naira, so you can use any of your card to pay on Facebook. Then you click next. Okay, they're going to ask you for VAT. If you have your VAT, you can fix it up, but if you don't have your VAT, you just have to skip this. No cause for any alarm. Then you add the money. Don't worry, you see 45 here, and you can remove this. Add if it's 1 million, 2 million, whatever you want to use to run the ads, you can use to run your ad. So we don't need to go all through this step because we're not funding the account right now. But if you click on it, the next step is going to take you to is you put your card. Sometimes when you come here, you might not meet what do they call it, Naira payments. This, you might meet local cards. You can select local cards. So far it is not debit and credit card. As much as possible, select the this one. So we are going to go through a recap of everything. So first of all, you come to your Facebook page. You are going to go to create a page. Then when you create a page, you are going to activate your Instagram account. So you convert your Instagram account to a business account by going to settings. Then when you go to settings, you are going to merge it together by putting the username and password. Then when you do that, you are going to go to the link that's a business.facebook.com. Sometimes it takes you to business, so sometimes it takes you to another place, but majority of the new accounts now takes you straight to business suite. But wherever it takes you to, it will just demand you for your business name, and it's going to demand you for your information and your email address. So after that, it's going to take you to your business manager. That's where you now set your ads account. That's where you now set your Instagram. You connect everything. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions in the comments, and if you have any suggestion, you can leave it down so I could be able to create a new video to answer you, or I would be able to chat you up direct and answer. So thanks for today, and we are going to be seeing you on our next topic. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also turn on the notification. See you in our next video.